This is where I'm going to share some wealth building gift ideas as we count down to Christmas. Okay. So if you are interested in gifting some powerful wealth building gift ideas in this holiday season, you are in the right place. And all I need you to do is just share it out with a friend. All right. So yesterday we kicked off where I shared a great money saving tip as you guys are holiday shopping. Tonight we are talking about gifting stock, okay? And how you can give stock, because let me tell you, gifting stock to people is one of those things that can cover everybody on your list. And I don't want you to think that it can cost you a lot of money, because now we have the power, we have the platforms, we have the access to purchase fractional shares. Meaning, if you can't afford to purchase one entire share of stock, you now can buy a fractional share of stock and gift that to somebody. All right. So let's jump right in this. So let me tell y'all why this is so good, because even like with with your in-laws, if you have in-laws, these are people who probably can afford just about anything they really wanted, right? And so when you think about that person who has everything, or who could literally afford anything that they want, gifting them a share of stock in a company would blow their mind. All right. So these are definitely great gift ideas. It's a great stocking stuffer. And let me tell you why. Okay, I'm gonna give you some reasons why, some more reasons why. It's because it's educational, right? I know that one of the biggest things from people not participating in investing, not participating in the stock market, is because they either don't want to admit that they don't know enough, right? But by gifting them a share of stock is going to force them to become educated about their investment. It's an opportunity to educate your loved ones and allow them to put their foot in the water, put their foot in the pond without a lot of risk. Because what? It was a gift, all right? It is setting them up for long-term growth. So a lot of stocks have the potential for that long-term growth, and your gift will appreciate over time. So in today's 12 days of Christmas countdown, I want to introduce to you two platforms that makes it really easy for you to gift stock to your family members. All right. Company number one, it's called giftashare.com. 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 The second company is called stockpile.com. All right. They make the process, it's a very straightforward process. For Gift to Share, you go to their website. It's going to have a lot of stuff on the website, but you can browse their selection of stocks. They typically offer a lot of the popular stocks, well-known companies. You'll recognize them right away. You choose the stock you want to gift. You choose the number of shares you want to purchase. And then the great thing about Gift a Share is they allow you to personalize the gift by adding like a customized message or certificate when you gift the stock. And you can choose your presentation style. So this is where I purchased my husband's gift before he was my husband. I purchased it from giftashare.com. I had a little customized nameplate and I had it framed. And that's how I presented to him. So it ended up being more than $30, right? $30 was just the share. But when you add on the frame, it kind of added up maybe to like $80, $90, something like that. But that was way better and less expensive than me buying him a whole jogging suit or a whole pair of shoes, which can go again upwards to $200 and $300. Okay. The second platform is called Stockpile. Stockpile.com. You can go to their website or use their mobile app, Again, you can go through, pick a stock. The great thing about Stockpile is that you can purchase fractional shares of the stock. So while Amazon might be really expensive, while Apple may be really expensive, while Tesla stock may be really expensive, you can say, you know what? I'm only going to buy $50 worth of that stock. So you can buy a fractional share of that stock and gift it to the person of your choice. Okay. So that's why I really like Stockpile, because you don't have to have a lot of money. You can buy $5 worth of the stock. There is no minimum that I'm aware of, right? So again, you can personalize the message, give it as a gift card, make the order, and then give the stock, and then the person you give it to, they'll just follow the instructions that come after you make the purchase. In order to redeem the stock that you are gifting them, they'll have to set up an account with Stockpile, and then they can start managing their investment, right? So both of these platforms, giftashare.com and stockpile.com, they are both very, very user-friendly platforms. They are specifically designed for you to gift stock to other people. So they make it really convenient. They give you some great options. But this is the catch. Y'all ready for the catch? You got to make sure that you review their fees, review their policies before you make that purchase, right? Because I know Stockpile now has changed their platform where they now require a monthly fee. So maybe you gift the stock, and then you gift the monthly fee, or you cover the monthly fee for the next year or something like that. But it's still an awesome, awesome gift and a great platform. All right. So hopefully you guys have found this helpful. Hopefully I have convinced you. I am all about helping you guys identify and actually execute, take action on gifting wealth building gifts this season. So thank you guys for joining me. I want you to go to my link in my bio, or the link within the notes, and download our free holiday gift guide. There you will see where I've talked about and I've highlighted both of these platforms in our gift guide, along with some other great wealth building gift ideas to help you guys rock out this holiday season. All right. So thank you guys for joining, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3.